Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm making some old-fashioned tea cakes, but today I'm making old-fashioned keto tea cakes. And also today, since it's kind of chilly here today, I made some of my chili today. Let me just show you what that looks like today before we get started on the tea cakes. Okay, there's my chili there. It's got some vegetables in it. Put some asparagus in it. And you see the meat. Got some vegetables in it. Put some asparagus in it. And you see the meat. And usually what I do, I put it in a bowl and I add some cheddar cheese on top of it. It's really delicious. So let me get started with these tea cakes. Today I'm making some vanilla tea cakes. So let me get started. I'm gonna add 3 eggs. I knocked down my baking soda on the floor. I got baking soda all over the floor. Would you believe it? I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. I'm gonna use 4 ounces of this butter. It's 8 ounces, so I'm gonna use 4 ounces for the tea cake recipe. Okay, I'm gonna microwave this for about 40 seconds. I'm gonna go ahead and add 4 ounces of cream cheese to the blender. I probably should have cut it up, but it'll be fine. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and blend up the eggs, cream cheese, salt, and vanilla. Okay, I blended it for about 3 minutes and it looks nice and smooth. So now I'm gonna add my other ingredients in there. I didn't add my butter, my unsalted butter, because it's still a little warm. So I'm gonna wait till that cool off a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and add my almond flour and coconut flour today. Okay, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of coconut flour to the blender here. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of oat fiber flour. Okay. 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. I'm adding that through my sieve. And 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. And you see why I use the sieve when I do this, because there's a big lump in the baking soda. Here, I can just press it through. Not a problem when you're using a sieve. 1 cup of almond flour. And press it through. Okay, you don't need to see me do that. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and add my butter. And then I have to add my sugar, my erythritol sugar. That's all the butter. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add 3/4 cups of erythritol in my mixer here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Here is my 3/4 cup of sugar. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pour it in there. Try not to make a mess. Sugar all over the place. The erythritol sugar, sugar-free sugar. Okay, it's nice and smooth. I'm just taking the blade out. I just sprayed my pan with some extra olive oil, virgin olive oil. I usually use coconut oil, but I don't have any right now, so this will have to do. So let me just go ahead and add the batter to the cookie sheet here. I added about 4. And these are keto vanilla tea cakes. All right, you can put a lot less batter in each section, but I like my tea cakes kind of thick. You know, if I'm having tea, they last a while longer. I only eat one each day. I don't eat 2 or anything like that. So I'm going to go ahead and place these in the oven at 350 degrees for about, I would say about 15 to 16 minutes. Okay, and I'll let you take a look at them at that time. Okay, this is 6 cookies. 6 large cookies, okay? These are keto cookies, but if you're on a low-carb diet, you can make these as well. I just took these out of my large oven. Usually I cook in my small oven, but the pan is much larger, so I have to use the large oven. Really, these should have come out of the oven probably exactly 12 minutes, because notice they get a little dark on the edges there, which as soon as they cool off, I will be taking them out of this pan. So let them cool off before I place the other cookie mix in it. These are the cookies that I just took out of the pan. They are very, very soft, and they feel almost like a little cake instead of a cookie, but it's a cookie recipe. But they are very soft. I think the cream cheese make it kind of soft. So I'm cleaning my pan out for the next batch of cookies. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray the pan with some olive oil and get the next batch in the oven. I'm gonna only leave these in there for 10 minutes. See how that goes since I'm cooking in the large oven. The remainder of the batter will only make 4 cookies. So really with this recipe, you will get 10 cookies out of the batter. So, you know I talk a lot about cooking because cooking is my passion. But if you want to learn more about the keto diet, I suggest that you watch Dr. Bird on YouTube, and he will teach you all about the keto diet and some other things. So take a look at his channel. You'll learn so much. Before we started on this keto diet, I had done like 3 years of research before I even started on the diet. It's working for me, and it's working for Bill and quite a few other people. I was out of town last weekend for my brother's funeral, and there was a young lady there shared how much weight she had lost just watching and following my keto diet and what I eat in a day. So do your research, don't listen to me. I mean, do your research, know what you're doing, know how to cook, your food and what to eat, and learn how to keep track of your macros. And I noticed that I have more energy. I don't feel hungry, so I eat a lot less than I used to. So it's a really good diet for me. So do your research. I'm not telling you what to do or how to do it. It's your life. So now I took these out after 10 minutes. I had it on 350 degrees. Oven was already preheated. So they really look good. They cook really fast in my large oven. So next time I will try them in my small oven, because usually it takes about 15 minutes in my other small oven to bake these. But here they are, they out of the oven. So if you like this recipe, like, share, subscribe, and comment on this recipe. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching. How you like it?
Tastes good. Tastes like almost like cake.
Oh, it's supposed to be a tea cake.
Okay. Tastes like a tea cake.
Okay. All right. Thank you. If you like this video today, subscribe, comment. It'll help my channel grow by you commenting and subscribing to my channel. I ate some of it and it tastes so good. The vanilla flavor is coming through and they're so soft. Really good. I'm talking with my mouth full of cookies. It's really good. So buttery. And the amount of sugar, Rectitol, that I added is just right. Nice and soft and delicious. So you have to try this recipe. You might like your thinner, so make yours thinner, okay? So have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching this video. It's a little dark, but it doesn't taste like it's burnt or anything. It's really good.